Welcome back. Well, as expected, a little bit of a busy day on radar. We had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings and no reports of severe weather so far. Tornado watch, it was issued roughly around 2:33 in the afternoon, was taken down by 4:30. So that is done with, and now we're moving into a cooler weekend. Notice the temperatures today, 79 the high, 70 the morning start. That should be our highs this time of year, but we're going to get a little bit of a reminder that we're in early March, almost a February reminder going into tomorrow. So let's get it over to the key wall. Today's big surprise, though, with the models only going for a tenth or a quarter of an inch, and well, we got over an inch of rain here at KATC. That means some other folks got 1 to 2, a little bit more of a soaking than anticipated. But we were talking about this yesterday, Bradley and I. When you have these weather systems coming out of the Pacific, they're not modeled well. We don't get good data, much data out from the Pacific. We get horrible data through Mexico, and that's where our weather is coming from. So sometimes you get a little bit of a disturbance surprise, and we certainly got that today, and showers and storms are a little bit more robust than what we were forecasting, or more widespread, not more robust. We pretty much hit on the intensity of the storms. And there is an area of weak low pressure here, another one over here, and one by southeast Louisiana. But this is the one that will be pushing on through tonight, and with it, the end of the showers and storms. Now, tornado watch still in effect on the other side of the basin into Mississippi, and that's where the main action is going to be extreme eastern Louisiana, Mississippi through the evening hours. And as we put things in motion, you can see activity generally moving from the southwest or the west-southwest to the east-northeast. Now, locally, let's look at Power Doppler 3, and things have quieted down. We still have some shower activity, and it's diminishing off to the east, but no severe weather threats. So let's back it up. We'll see those storms forming, and they formed pretty quickly and got pretty strong pretty quickly. Thus, the severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette Parish. We had another one for Lafayette, St. Martin, and portions of Acadia Parish. So it was an active day across the area. Now we just have some of these lingering showers as we get into western St. Landry Parish. Opelousas, Lawtell, you're still seeing rain. Opelousas, you'll get it shortly. Some locally heavy downpours south of Highway 190, south and east of Eunice, and a pretty hefty cell that's building just north of the Jennings area, getting ready to cross over the Mermentau Basin. So still a few more showers back here toward Jeff Davis Parish as well, and a few scattered showers left over Baldwin, over towards Sharrington, north of the Franklin area. They're moving out into the basin. So rain chances going down to about 20% in the next few hours. Then breezy and cool as we head into our Saturday. Temperatures stay in the 60s, and we keep the cloud cover. We might see a few intervals of sun, and then as we head into Sunday, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies, plenty of high clouds, but maybe a little sun mixed in, but temperatures stay in the 60s. And then moving into Monday, we thought we were going to have a perfectly sunny day. Well, it looks like we're going to have more clouds with that subtropical jet stream. It's still kind of in a winter mode, trying to get into spring mode. Temperatures tonight, upper 50s to low to mid 60s across the area. We stay in the 60s tomorrow, and there's going to be a fresh north-northwest wind at about 15 to 20, so it's going to feel even cooler. Tomorrow night we head down into the mid to upper 40s, so a little bit of a reminder it's early spring, and 60s again for your Sunday. So overnight tonight, a few lingering showers early, turning breezy and cooler later on tonight. 63 the overnight low. Those winds shifting around now the northwest and picking up as the night wears on, so you hear the wind chimes going later on tonight. Then tomorrow, breezy day, feeling like February again. A few intervals of sunshine possible. I'm not overly optimistic on that, but we'll take whatever sun we can get during the course of the weekend. And overall, it's going to be a cloudy, cool weekend. Some sun coming back as we head into next week. Warmer temperatures. Then we set up for more rain toward the end of next week. And of course, this weekend, clocks move forward. Sunday, we'll have more on that right now.